Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today I've got one from Umai Crate. Umai Crate is a subscription service out of Japan. You can get all sorts of neat things every month from them, and they're pretty neat boxes. So let's crack into it and check it out. And here you go. This is what you see when you open it up. Let's look at everything one by one. So the first thing we see is this pamphlet, and indeed it is the December 2018 Umai Crate. Upon opening, you will notice that it has information about each and every variety within, which is really handy because without this, you might not be able to figure out how to cook it because everything's in Japanese. Next, we have one of these fancy recipe cards. They've been including these in the last few boxes, and I think they're a nice little addition. Alright, first we have a Kitsune Udon by Daikoku. Udon is a popular Japanese noodle dish. This one in particular is inspired by Japanese folklore. Fox spirits are said to be particularly fond of a fried sliced tofu called aboraje, which is accordingly found in Kitsune Udon like this one. Next we have Sosu Yakisoba. Indulge in a healthy take on yakisoba without the guilt. This easy to make stir fry is a quick meal that won't leave you feeling sluggish and heavy. Next up we have a Miso Ramen by Kenko. Winter is the perfect season to chow down on a hot noodle soup. Enjoy this bowl of ramen that is fragrant with miso flavor that is aromatic and flavored with savory and nutty notes. Alright, next we've got Ginkakuro Gosho Vegetable Soy Sauce Ramen. Douse yourself in a traditional flavor experience with this bowl of vegetable ramen. With the soy-based broth, you can add your choice of leftover things to really amp up the dish. Next up, we have Banshu Udon. Hailing from the Banshu region, these udon noodles contain the natural salt of high-quality wheat raised in the climate. Make your favorite udon dishes from fried to soup-based with this 3-serving pack this winter season. And they include a couple things that can go with that udon. We first have raw miso natto soup paste. Enjoy the best of both worlds with this miso natto soup that combines the two and features crushed natto in miso soup. Its rich dashi and umami flavor will leave you wanting more this winter season. Another one that would pair well with the udon is this miso soup. Savor in traditional Japanese cuisine flavors with this miso flavored udon soup dish. This soup base is dedicated to miso boiled udon, which uses plenty of red miso and is balanced with dried bonito, making it a hearty and filling meal. This dish is perfect for cold winter nights. Next we have shrimp flavor seafood ramen. Whip up an authentic seafood ramen meal in a matter of a few minutes with this bowl of shrimp ramen. If you love seafood, this one is the real deal. Aside from the signature kani flavor, this includes small dried shrimp bits. And finally we come to the bonus item this month, garlic powder. Add an exciting aroma and arouse your appetite with this Hachi garlic spice powder that will add umami and rich flavors to your cooking. It's suitable for a wide variety of dishes such as different fried foods and ramen noodles. Alright, so in the December 2018 Umai Crate, you get Miso Ramen, Yakisoba, Kitsune Udon, Miso Natto, more Miso, Shrimp Ramen, Vegetable Shoyu, Udon, Garlic Powder, a recipe card, and your valuable information pamphlet. Alright, cool. Hey, thanks to Umai Crate for shooting these over. Pretty cool stuff. And I've got a coupon code for you should you want to get one of these boxes. Here you go. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.